Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to add superscript in Google Docs on your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just open Google Docs and I just open some other documents which is needed for superscript. So the first and foremost I just have a max lesson plan over here. So I just want to add a third period should be RD should be in a superscript or subscripts over there. So I just long press on that. I just select this option. So I just want to edit this entire docs. What I have to do here, in your downside you will find an option called pencil button over here. Just hit the button, the edit option will be open here. So I have selected the third option. On top you will find an option called A, that is paragraph. So just hit the button A button, automatically you will have a menu bars over here. So here there will be a text and paragraph over here. So on the text you will find a superscript and subscript option will be there. So this is a superscript and subscript options. So just hit the button, automatically it will move upstairs. So if you want to make a subscription option, you can click here for subscript. So you can choose whatever words you want. You can add this option, you can enable this option. This is a simple and easiest trick. For example, if you want to create any types of document over here, so I just want to make a square over here, so I just add the square and I just want to add the square option. So I just select the particular word or text using long press. So I just click here and I can make a superscript and subscript over here. So this is a beautiful option over there. In your mobile phone itself you can create a max related works and you can able to upload your files from your mobile. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.